Luckily, as France was playing Morocco in the semi-finals at the same time as the first IMAX showing the Avatar in Riyadh, Faris got us tickets for it. I have watched Avatar 1 some 5 times and Titanic some 5 or 10 times, so my excitement for another James Cameron flick was not out of place. I can safely say James Cameron outdid himself on graphics and cinematography. But as I came out, I was deflated. The underwater scenes introducing us to the world of power that's hidden under the darkness of water were simply mind-boggling. Why did I feel this defeated? Why did I find such a stark resemblance to my last month's watch, Bilal Lashari's The Legend of Maula Jatt?
Mighty.
Not much story. Just as nuts of TLMJ wanted to kill for the sake of killing, here for no reason Commander wanted to take out his ex-deputy Jack Sully. In Maula Jatt, the nuts in fighting provided room for some sensual dances and cinematic homicides and suicides. Cameron had added a side story of humans trying to extract life potion from the big fish. TLMJ stands out as an individual story from the original Maula Jatt of 1980s, but in my opinion, a person who hasn't watched Avatar 1 will have problem connecting the dots in part 2. Both movies, excellent action sequences, cinematography. TLMJ had a lot of excellent VFX, and James Cameron here also used all the technology to his disposal, throwing in all the action he could borrow from Titanic, Jaws, Subway, Underground, Batman, and his imaginative mind, plus TLMJ. Yes, funnily, I identified a small gandasa or the axe of the TLMJ being used here too. In Avatar 1, the jungle people used to have flying dinosaurs with wings, used to use a lock of hair to bond with their mane. Here, the sea people had winged dinosaurs with manes, similar hair strand connections, but these dinosaurs could dive deep underwater and wriggle through coral reefs without damaging the ecosystem, in addition to flying. The humans or the sky people had the same helicopters as Avatar 1, with easily exploited design faults by the enemy. In addition, here some childish water scooters and sports submarine vehicles were also used. I was expecting a lot of fancy scientific gadgetry display, something like we saw in the original Avatar, but this time the display of technology was limited to warfare weaponry. If you are an ocean or sea life lover, again you would be disappointed, as much more could be expected in a 3-hour movie. Why couldn't Cameron explore and exploit more of the beauty of the sea beats me. Despite that being a theme here, and probably how Disney got involved. Too much killing. Tad less gruesome than Maula Jatt, but simply too much killing for a rom-com lover like me. Would I want to go back to watch it again? No. Should you skip this movie? No way. It's a good watch. Do watch it once. It's a James Cameron showtime. But I would recommend watch Avatar 1 before you go to watch this one.